Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to add a caption to an image in Google Docs for 2025. If you're working on documents, reports, or presentations, adding captions can make your images more descriptive and accessible. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves organizing content, this step-by-step guide will have you captioning like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up Google Docs on your computer or device. If you don't have a document ready, go ahead and create a new one by heading to docs.google.com. Now, to insert an image, click on the Insert menu at the top, select Image, and choose your source. Whether it's from your computer, Google Drive, or even a URL. Once your image appears in the document, it's time to add that caption. In 2025, Google Docs has some neat updates, but the core method remains straightforward. Select your image by clicking on it. Then, go to Insert again, and choose Drawing, greater than, New. This opens a drawing canvas where you can add or import your image. Now, in the drawing tools, click on the text box icon, draw a box below your image, and type in your caption text. Customize the font, size, and style to make it pop, maybe bold it for emphasis. After you're happy with your caption, click Save and Close in the drawing window. Your image with the caption will now be embedded in your document as a single object. To edit it later, just double-click on the drawing. Pro tip: if you want the caption to wrap around the image nicely, use the layout options under the image properties. And that's it, you've successfully added a caption to your image in Google Docs. This feature is super handy for making your documents more professional and SEO-friendly, especially if you're sharing them online. Give it a try on your next project, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.